Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use your credit balance in Temu. So guys, in order to actually find your credit balance, follow my steps and my clicks. So you just go to your accounts, just press on that, and you go to your credit balance. As you can see, if you want to check how much balance you have, how many dollars in the credit balance you have, you can check your total USD balance in here in this tab. Right, so to use the credit, you need to add items to your cart as usual. Once you're ready to check out, go to your cart and tap Proceed to Checkout. So for example, let us go to these earphones, by the way. So for example, if we go to this page with these earphones, for example, you just add it to cart, add to cart, choose these ones that are available, then go to your cart. So guys, on the payments page, if you have a credit balance, Temu will automatically apply it to your total, unless you manually toggle it off. Make sure the credit toggle is turned on to use your available balance. If your credit covers the full purchase, let me just dismiss this. You won't be charged anything. If it doesn't, the remaining balance will be charged to your chosen payment method like a card or PayPal. So that's pretty much it. That's how it's done. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and follow for more simple guides. See you in the next one.